Welcome to Tech Bytes in News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into a really exciting open-source project, the AI Video Starter Kit. It's a game-changer, folks.
I'm already buzzing with anticipation. What makes this kit so special? Is it, like, magic or something?
Almost. It leverages the power of AI models to create videos directly in your browser. No need for complex server-side setups or expensive software. Think of it as a video production studio, but entirely in your web browser.
Wow, that's impressive. So, which AI models are we talking about here?
They're using several cutting-edge models via FAL.ai. We've got Minimax for video generation, Hunyuan for visual synthesis, and LTX for video manipulation. It's a pretty comprehensive suite.
That's a powerful combination. But how does it handle the processing? Browser performance can be a bottleneck for video editing, right?
That's where Remotion comes in. It's a fantastic library for video processing in the browser. Plus, they're using IndexedDB for storage, so no cloud database is needed. It's all client-side, which is amazing for privacy and speed.
I see. So it's not just about the AI, it's about the clever architecture of the whole kit. What about the user experience? Is it easy to use?
Absolutely. They've built a user-friendly interface with ready-to-use components. It supports multi-clip composition, audio integration, voiceovers, and even extended video durations. It's surprisingly feature-rich.
That sounds incredible. But, I'm a little skeptical about the no-cloud database claim. Surely managing large video files client-side will be a challenge?
That's a valid point. While it's true that large video files could strain browser resources, the use of IndexedDB and efficient processing techniques likely mitigates this. They've clearly optimized for performance. The project has over 800 stars on GitHub, so it's clearly resonating with developers.
True, the popularity speaks volumes. What about the tech stack? Anything particularly interesting there?
Besides the AI models and Remotion, they're using Next.js, which is a fantastic React framework, making the development process much smoother. And they're using Vercel for deployment, which is super convenient.
Next, JS and Vercel. A winning combination. So if I want to get started, what's the process?
It's straightforward. Clone the repo, install dependencies, set up your environment variables, and run the dev server. The whole process is clearly documented in their RE-ADME. They even provide instructions for different package managers.
Fantastic! This sounds like a must-have tool for anyone working with AI video. Thanks for highlighting this project.
My pleasure. This AI Video Starter Kit is a testament to the power of open-source collaboration and the incredible advancements in AI video technology. Remember to check out the GitHub repo for more details and to contribute if you're so inclined. And that's all the time we have for today. Goodbye and happy coding.
Bye-bye.